Hi, in this video I'll show you how to use Samsung remote. So this is the power button, this is the source. This on and off is for the lights of the remote. So I'll press the power button. So make sure the power button is angle of this direction because the LED sensor is in this direction. It's not in the center. So you need to make sure that it's exactly in the line, and that's how it will turn on. Okay. Now, which model we are talking about? We are talking about Samsung
You said you wanted to find the Countess. We'll find her soon enough. Right now, I need
UE55. Hope you can see that. Now you can see that. Yeah, UE55 HU7 200U. So this is a curved TV, curved Samsung.
What's going on here?
And source. So what do we mean by source? So if I have to change the channels, you will use this button, this one for the volume, and this one is for the channel. So if I have to, so see that the direction of the remote has to be in this direction. Yeah, now you will be able to see that. Okay, so if it says Great Romance does not exist, would you like to remove it? So that's a channel removed. The satellite, obviously, that's keep getting update. So this is your center button. Yeah, this is your OK button. So if I wanted to press it, or I wanted to select no, so I'll select no. There you go. Service not available because the channel is not showing up. Okay, now how to reset the TV or how to select the channels. So you have this media. Okay, when I press this media, it will give me the list of all these YouTubes and all that. So make sure your direction of your remote is on this side because the, like I said, the sensor is in this side. Okay, so you have Prime, Netflix, and Sky. So Sky is not connected. You can clear this all as well. So this is how you will play your YouTube on this TV. Press OK and your YouTube will play. Make sure that the TV is connected to your Wi-Fi or LAN. This TV is connected to the Wi-Fi, and I have connected the aerial of this TV. That's the aerial of this TV which is connected. Yeah, and that's the second area where, like, that's connected to the satellite. So make sure they both are connected. So what we will do, if you wanted to watch this, I can select my, oh, there you go. This is a very common mistake, everyone do that. The direction has to be on the right side. So see, I was doing that same mistake because we all get used to on the center side, that's why. Okay, it's loading. It might take a while because obviously it's loading with the internet.
His name was
Okay,
36.
there you go, that's loaded.
And the guy took a
Now if I have to go back,
and he was
I'll
super
click
cool,
return,
all tatted up.
and that's how it will go back. Okay, now let me show you the menu. So this is the menu button. So if I press this menu, it will give me the list. So picture, sound, broadcasting, network. That's where you will see your Wi-Fi. So if I go this and if I select network status, it's showing that my wireless and internet connection are set up and ready to use. Okay, and I can click close over here. Okay, so if you need to connect, this is where you will go network setting, and you will see the list of Wi-Fi and you will connect the Wi-Fi. Okay, so these are the Wi-Fi's which are showing up. So you make sure you know the password. Okay. Now Smart Hub, that's another option. System, this is where you will like set up, or you will do the manual language change and all that you will do in setup and support. So if I want to go back, I'll press the return button again. This is very annoying because you have to make sure that the TV remote is on this direction. Okay. If I wanted to go back on my media, I'll press this media. Yeah, there you go, that's my media. And I have Netflix as well. If I wanted to play Netflix, I'll press Netflix. The center of the remote is this. Okay, just need to, the button is like bit in a bad state. Obviously they all get used, they all come off, but they do work. Netflix, again, you just need to log in, and that's how you will be able to use your Netflix. It's already logged in for you, so you don't need to worry about that. So if I wanted to play Netflix, I'll just press that. Okay, now I'll go back. If I want to exit, okay, exit, I have to, instead of return, I have to press exit for this one. There you go. And that will be exit.
Would injure or kill the stag.
Okay, so this is how it will work. It's a 55-inch TV, so it's like, you know, it's a curved TV, but the sensor is on this side. This is where most of the problem comes in. Okay, so if I want to turn off, I'll press this. Okay, now how to use the LED remote. So this is your LED remote. You press this, see that light's turned on, auto. That's your auto, it will keep changing. If you wanted to put the music mode, that's how the music mode will come up. It will work according to the music sound, and this is how you will increase the brightness. And you can also select red, green, blue. Because of the brightness just now, it's not showing up. Well, this is how your LEDs will show up. Okay, so this remote is just for your LEDs. If I leave it on auto, it will keep changing the light color.
I knew that was
And that's what your remote is looks like. Okay, source, yeah, I wanted to show that button. So this is how you select the source. Yeah, so make sure your source is selected TV. So if I select again, I have sky. If I want to connect screen mirroring, I'll do that way. Like I'll turn on my phone screen mirroring. HDMI, HDMI 3, HDMI 4, component, and that's it. So make sure when you wanted to watch TV, Freeview, you select TV, okay? And I'll just press power off and that will turn off. That's how simple is that.